Sunday, May 12th, 2024. Ascension of Lord. Focus. Go into all the world and proclaim the gospel to the whole creation. Christ's ascension into heaven does not mean that He no longer walks amongst us. He still dwells with us, and it is for us to recognize Him. The ascension event gives us Christ's farewell words. And the church, as St. Paul VI said, exists in order to evangelize, that is to say, in order to preach and to teach, to be the channel of the gift of grace. It was at His ascension that Christ reminded us about the power of the Holy Spirit, who was to come to enable us to be His witnesses to the end of the earth. Christ wanted His apostles and His shepherds to equip the saints for the work ministry, because evangelization is the task of every Christian. How do we evangelize? By proclaiming, by our good example, and by reaching out in kindness to nameless people in the street, as well as colleagues at work and our own folks at home. Saint Francis Xavier and Saint Joseph Vaz had a different calling. As lay person, our calling is to witness to Christ. Whatever we are and wherever we go, it is not easy. That is why He sent the Holy Spirit. Fruit. Opportunities to witness to Christ arise every day. Let me be alert to recognize them and fulfill the message of the Ascension.